Let's see how to share the location on the Google Maps on your iPhone. So just come here to the Google Maps app. And here you just need to come to your picture, tap on it, come here and select location sharing. And from here, you're gonna see the people they are sharing the location with. And if you don't have anybody that you're sharing the location with, you just need to come here and hit new share. And then you have the option to select the person that you want to share your location. Okay, super simple. In here, you can select for 1 hour or for any time that you want. You can increase here, let's say for 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever you want. Or until you turn this off, then you're gonna share the location forever, or until you turn it off, of course, right? So basically that's the way you can share the location with somebody on the Google Maps on iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.